My robot mower just died, and I had no idea why. I honestly thought it was completely gone, but the real problem was hiding somewhere I didn't expect. The mower was stored safely indoors all winter, but when I put it back on the charging station, nothing. No lights, no charging, just dead. So I checked the charging station. Something clearly wasn't right. I grabbed my non-contact voltage tester, and there was no power at all. That's when it hit me. The mower wasn't the problem, it had to be the power supply. So I opened it up, and this thing did not want to come apart, but when it finally did, I saw something. Wait, that shouldn't be there. I took a closer look. Moisture inside the power supply. And the more I looked, the worse it got. Corrosion everywhere. Yeah, this thing is done. No fix. So the only real solution? Replace the power supply. If your robot mower won't start, check this first. You might save yourself a lot of money. And if you want more real-world DIY fixes and failures, hit subscribe.